So chef, what chocolatey delight are we cooking up today?
Chocolate truffle cake.
Chocolate truffle cake. Wow, that's one of my favorite. How do we start, chef?
We have sponge.
Right.
So we cut sponge from the ring.
Okay.
The accurate size will be cut
And this
from
is
this
2
ring.
sponge.
Yeah, this is 2 sheets actually.
2 sheets of sponge that you can get from any high-end supermarket.
Yeah.
Okay, and there it goes. That's the base, right,
Yeah,
chef?
yeah.
Okay. And this?
This for another layer. We will make truffle now.
Okay. So how do we make truffle? What do you want?
Chocolate and cream.
Chocolate and cream. It's so delightful, just the sound of it. That's your chocolate.
This is chocolate and that is cream. It is already boiled.
Chef, how much cream and how much chocolate goes into this?
Suppose 400 gram chocolate
Right.
and 200 gram cream.
Okay, so as much chocolate as you have, half amount of the cream is required.
Yeah. This is better way to mix it.
Whisking it together.
Yeah, whisking together.
So that no lumps in the chocolate are left behind, because that affects the texture of the chocolate cake, right?
Yes.
So now chef, tell me, what kind of chocolate are you using here? Is it cooking chocolate? Is it regular everyday eating chocolate?
Eating chocolate already.
So dark chocolate is what we
Yeah,
use?
dark chocolate. Use it.
Oh, I can whisk this as well. One of my most fun parts is to get some work done and pretend to be useful. There you go.
Now we have to mix egg with sugar.
Egg with
yolk,
sugar.
Yeah.
How many eggs do we need?
5.
5 eggs.
5 egg yolk.
Oh, only egg yolks, no
Yeah.
white.
No white.
I've counted, chef. They're all
Yeah.
5.
And we need 2 tablespoons sugar.
2 tablespoons sugar.
Yeah. We will put in this.
Okay. So chef, what is the egg yolk going to do for the entire recipe?
Whisk, the taste
Right.
and texture.
The texture will also
Yeah,
get
yes,
enhanced.
yes.
Okay, chef.
Now this is become glossy and smooth and fluffy. Now we will add the chocolate mixture in it.
Okay, so chocolate mixture, there you go.
Yes.
Chef, now if the chocolate mixture is very hot, because we use the cream that was hot and the chocolate that was hot, will that cook the eggs?
Yeah, because we are not cook the egg.
Right.
That's why we will put hot truffle.
Okay, so that will cook the egg a little.
Yeah.
Okay. So no matter how hot and steaming your chocolate mixture is, it doesn't matter. Even if it cooks the eggs a little, that's required for the recipe anyway.
Because we put egg there.
Right.
So we have to add some vanilla extract to there.
To take away the taste of the egg
Yeah,
yolks.
yes.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. There you go.
We will add little bit orange liquor there.
Okay.
You can put any liquor, any type
Any
of
liquor can
Yeah,
go in. Bourbon can go in. Cognac can go in. Anything.
Yeah.
Excellent. So anything you have in your cabinet, just pull that out. Put in as much as you like. Chef suggests about 2 tablespoons.
Yes.
But if you want, you can add more.
Add more, yeah.
Chef, this is smelling so divine.
We will have to put gelatin solution here.
Now, chef, how is gelatin solution made?
Gelatin powder and water.
Okay.
Then we will keep in micro
Right.
and mix together. And then we will put
How
in
long does
mix.
this go into the microwave?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon gelatin and 2 tablespoon water.
There
Ready
goes
now?
the gelatin.
It will help to set the cake.
Okay. So, chef, are we going to bake this or chill this cake?
This is chill cake actually.
Oh, and that's the reason why you need the gelatin, because this is not being baked, it's being chilled in the fridge.
Yes. Now we have to add the whipped cream
Okay.
in it.
How much of cream is this, chef?
This is 400 gram cream. Now we layer with the sponge.
Okay.
You see? fantastic job. You see? And we will put this sponge here.
Some more of this on top. So chef, how long does this need to be put in the fridge? So it will go in with the ring.
Yeah, it will be good.
And we will remove the ring once.
After 1 hour.
Okay.
After it.
Chef, I can't wait for this to come out of the fridge now.
Now I will put this.
Chef, this looks so tempting already.
Yeah, it is set already now.
Right? Wow! It came out just like that, as if you were melting butter on a hot skewer. Chocolate flakes feel so good, and they look better still on top of this.
Now it is ready to serve our eat.